Welcome to SSR Pharma Media, your trusted source for pharma knowledge. So, today we are going to see Inventory Crackers, Crack Series, Crack the Exam, Drugstore Management, Inventory Control, EOQ, Economic Order Quantity, MCQ, we are going to see today. Prepare, practice, succeed. So, Inventory Control Technique. இந்த டாபிக் வந்து டிப்ளமோ சிலபஸ்லேயும் இருக்குது, B.Pharm சிலபஸ்லேயும் இருக்குது. அதே டைம் நிறைய காம்படிட்டிவ் எக்ஸாம்ஸில் லைக் MRB, ESI எக்ஸாம்ஸ், ESI சென்ட்ரல் கவர்மெண்ட் ஃபார்மசிஸ்ட் எக்ஸாம்ஸ், SBI சென்ட்ரல் கவர்மெண்ட் ஃபார்மசிஸ்ட் எக்ஸாம், ட்ரக் இன்ஸ்பெக்டர் DI போத் சென்ட்ரல் அண்ட் ஸ்டேட். ஸோ இந்த காம்படிட்டிவ் எக்ஸாம்ஸ்லலாம் ஃபார்மசூட்டிக்கல் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் அப்படின்ற டாபிக் கீழே இந்த இன்வென்ட்ரி மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் அப்படின்ற டாப்பிக்கை வச்சுருக்காங்க. ஸோ இட்ஸ் வெரி வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். லெட்ஸ் வி மூவ் இன் டு தி MCQ. So before going to see the MCQ, first we must know about the inventory control techniques. The first one ABC analysis, second one economic order quantity, third one DED analysis, fourth one perpetual inventory system, fifth one review of slow and non-moving items, sixth one input output ratio analysis, seventh one setting of various levels, and eighth one use of material budgeting, and ninth one establishing on effective purchase procedure. So among 9 techniques, first one already we have discussed in the previous video, ABC analysis, always better control. So today we are going to see about economic order quantity. The first question, economic order quantity EOQ formula is used to determine. So the option A, a minimum stock level at which a new order should be placed. Option B, a maximum quantity of inventory that should be stored. Option C, the total cost of materials purchased in a year. Option D, the optimum order quantity to minimize total inventory control. So the answer is, so option D, the optimal order quantity to minimize total inventory cost. So you look at the questions carefully. So economic order quantity formula is used to determine, so mainly the optimal order quantity to minimize total inventory cost. So EOQ formula helps to determine most cost effective quantity to order by minimizing sum of ordering cost and inventory carrying cost. So it does not directly give reorder level, maximum stock level, or total cost of material. So you should mainly know about inventory carrying cost and ordering cost. So if you see this tabular column, EOQ means economic order quantity. The base of classification is cost optimization, and key focus ordering cost and holding cost. Holding cost is nothing but inventory carrying cost is another name. So ordering cost. So you must know about these two because it's a very very important MCQ point of view, as well as they may ask for 5 marks or 2 mark questions also in your syllabus theory exams. So ordering cost means நம்ம ஆர்டர் பண்ணுறதுக்கு செலவாகிற காஸ்ட், லைக் எ பேப்பர் ஒர்க், பேப்பரில் எழுதுறது, பேனா பேப்பர் அந்த மாதிரி ஆகுறது, யூஸ் ஆஃப் பேப்பர், டைப்பிங், போஸ்டிங், ஃபைலிங், salaries of staff involved in this paper work, and follow up, receiving, inspection. So these are all called ordering cost. அதே மாதிரி inventory carrying cost அப்படின்னா rent of storage, cost of insurance, taxes, salary of storekeeper, wastage, breakage, and pilferage. So you must know about ordering cost and inventory carrying cost because it's a very very important in EOQ analysis. So next question, which of the following is a component of ordering cost in inventory management? So component of ordering cost in inventory management, option A, rent of warehouse, cost of insurance and taxes, and salary of staff involved in purchase paperwork, and loss due to pilferage and breakage. So ordering cost means salaries involved. The answer is option C, salaries involved in the purchase paperwork. So next question, which of the following not component of inventory carrying cost? So inventory carrying cost not a component. Question நல்லா read பண்ணனும். Option A, rent of storage space, salaries of storekeeper, cost of insurance and taxes, and fourth one is typing, posting, filing, purchasing. So among these four, inventory carrying cost, rent, inventory carrying, salary also inventory carrying, cost of insurance also inventory carrying. So the option is D. So typing, posting, filing of purchase order. So this is called, what is this? Is a ordering cost. This is called ordering cost. It's not a inventory carrying cost. Next is primary goal of EOQ, economic order quantity is. So the primary goal, option A, minimize the inventory level. B, maximize order frequency. C, minimize total cost of ordering and holding inventory. C, increase the supplier profit. So the answer is C, minimize total cost of ordering and holding inventory. So next question, in the EOQ formula, what does D typically represent? So EOQ, root of 2D divided by H. This is a very important formula. So in this, D is represent option A, demand per year, option B, delivery cost per unit, option C, discount margin, option D, distribution time. So the answer is A. Is a demand per year. So here option B is wrong. So option A is the correct. Okay. So A, annual demand. S, ordering cost per order. H, holding cost per unit per year. So you look at these two formulas. So this formula is based on the algebraic method. So this is a formula present in the book. Okay. So in this two formula, A, D means is the annual demand. S means is ordering or setup cost per order. H means holding or carrying, inventory carrying cost. So H is refers to the annual cost of holding one unit in inventory. So in this formula, A is annual consumption or demand, B is ordering or setup cost per order, C is the cost per unit of material, S is inventory or carrying cost. Okay. So this is a very important formula because they have last DI question is this formula is asked in the last DI exam, drug inspector exam. So an increases H, that means S or H is a carrying cost, will increases the denominator, thereby reducing EOQ. So this reflects that it is cheaper to place a smaller, more frequent order when holding inventory become more. So it's a very important. Increasing ordering cost, increasing EOQ. Increase holding cost, decrease EOQ. Holding na நம்ம நிறுத்தி வைக்கிறது, அது increase ஆகிறப்ப என்ன ஆகும்? EOQ, economic order quantity, decrease. You look at this tabular column. This is called methods of EOQ analysis. So there are four methods: algebraic method, tabular method, graphical method, trial and error method. So algebraic method, there are four methods. In this first one, so the use of mathematical formula. So algebraic method is purely a formula, based on the formula. So it is best for quick, accurate estimation under ideal condition. So limitation is assumes constant demand, no quantity discount and instant replenishment. And tabular column method means, so EOQ is found by preparing a table with varying order quantities and total cost. So tools used manual table and spreadsheet. Best for visualizing impact and of different order size. And limitation, time consuming, less precise without small intervals. And third method, graphical method, cost curve, ordering, carrying, total are plotted to identify EOQ visually. Graphs or plotting tools and best for understanding cost relationship and teaching tool. And limitation, less accurate without precise and scaling or plotting. And last method, trial and error method, EOQ is estimated by testing different quantities until total cost is minimized. Tools used iterative manual calculation. The best for when exact variables are unknown or flexible. And limitations requires more effort and time, not ideal for large data sets. Next question, if the holding cost of an item increases, what happens to EOQ? So all else being constant. Means the option A, EOQ increases, EOQ decreases, EOQ remains unchanged, EOQ becomes 0. So holding cost item increases. So what will happen? So automatically decreases the EOQ. So option B is the correct answer. So higher ordering cost, large EOQ. Higher carrying cost, small EOQ. The purpose of EOQ to determine optimum order quantity that minimize the total cost of ordering and holding cost. Which of the following methods is commonly used to determine economic order quantity? Option A, Delphi method. Option B, algebraic method. Option C, linear programming. Option D, SWOT analysis. So the answer is B, algebraic method. So algebraic method is mainly used and straightforward way to calculate EOQ. It uses mathematical to find out order quantity that minimize total inventory. So this is very important formula. So other options like Delphi, linear programming, SWOTs are unrelated or used for strategic decision making, inventory control. So next question, tabular method of EOQ determination involves. Option A, using statistical software to run regression model. Option B, plotting a graph of cost versus order quantity. Option C, preparing a table showing total cost at different order quantities. Option D, estimating EOQ based on manager institution. So the answer is C, preparing a table showing total cost at different order quantities. So in tabular method, a table constructed with various order quantities. For each quantity, ordering cost, carrying cost and total cost are calculated. The EOQ is the quantity where told cost is the minimum. So next question, the graphical method of EOQ determination helps visualize. Option A, employee productivity trends, relationship between demand and price, total cost curve to find out minimum point, and option D, seasonal variation in the sales. So the answer is C, total cost curve to find out minimum point. So in graphical method, a curve is plotted with the order quantity on the x-axis and total cost on the y-axis. The EOQ is the order quantity corresponding to the lowest point on the total cost curve. So next question, the algebraic method of EOQ calculation. Which of the following is the best represent correct formula? So this question asked in the last DA, drug inspector exam. So among these 4 options, so you find out this 4 options, which one is correct? So option B is the correct formula. Okay. So in the standard algebraic method formula, A is annual, D is annual demand, C is ordering or setup cost per order, H holding cost per unit per year. It gives the order quantity that minimizes total inventory cost, means ordering cost plus holding cost. Which of the following is a key assumption of algebraic method for EOQ analysis? So the answer is option A, fluctuating lead times and variable demand. Option B, discounts available on bulk purchases. Option C, constant demand and fixed ordering cost. Option D, inventory is replenished gradually over time. So the answer is C, option C, constant demand and fixed ordering cost. So the algebraic method of EOQ is based on conceptions such as constant demand throughout year and fixed cost per order, constant carrying cost per unit, instantly replenishment. So it is a deterministic model, does not account for variability or discount. If you look at this tabular column, we have seen already in the ABCD analysis. So these are all the techniques of inventory control. ABC, VED, EOQ, FSN, HML and SDE. So in ABC means always better control. The basis of calculation is annual consumption value and key focus financial impact. VED is a vital, essential, desirable. So criticality for patient care and medical importance. EOQ, economic order quantity, is a cost optimization, ordering and holding cost. FSN is a fast, slow and non-moving, and the base of classification, usage rate and movement in inventory is a key focus. So HML, high, medium, low is a full form. The base of classification, unit cost, and is a key focus, cost per item. And SDE is a scarce, difficult, easy, and basis of classification, procurement difficulty, key focus, supply chain management. So this tabular column is a very important, because from this tabular column there are so many important MCQ questions they are asking in the different type of competitive government pharmacist exams as well as drug inspector exams. So you have to clearly you have to read about this tabular column, and you look at this tabular column. So here, so ABCD means annual consumption value and finance control, focus. And VED means clinical importance, the focus, availability. EOQ means cost optimization, ordering size. And FSN means movement speed and stock turnover. And HML means unit cost and pricing strategy. And SED means availability and focus, supply chain. Okay. So next question, the EOQ model helps in option A, maximizing inventory, option B, minimizing order delays, option C, minimizing ordering and holding cost, option D, maximizing product shelf life. So the answer is put in your comment box. So dear friends, dear students, so all of you join our WhatsApp community group and get hands-out material and test series to check your pharma knowledge. Thank you friends. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.